and greetings to all of us. To Honorable Mr. J. Sinaga, SOP Principal of SMK Negeri 1 Nainggolan High School. To Honorable Mr. J. Sinaga, SOP Principal of Curriculum. To Honorable Mr. J. Sebentar Butar, SOP Principal of Student Affairs, and also all the staff and management team. To Honorable all the teachers that I love in SMK Negeri 1 Nainggolan High School. All my fellow students of SMK Negeri 1 Nainggolan that I never forget. I hope you are always on a good condition and full of joy. First of all, let us pray toward gratitude to Jesus Christ Almighty for His grace overall for the healthy in this day. We can still feel the celebrating of Sumpah Pemuda. At this time, let me introduce myself. My name is Crescentia Situmorang from 11 Office Administration 1 class. Today, I will tell you my speak according to the 93rd Sumpah Pemuda Day with theme Peran Penting Pemuda dalam Membangun Bangsa. It means the youth roles in the development of our country. As youth, we need to know what is Sumpah Pemuda to understand our roles. In October 28, 1928, all of Indonesia from all the elements of society celebrate Youth Pledge. The date was important meaning in our national history in conjunction with our pledge in national integration. The context of Sumpah Pemuda of Youth Pledge is kami putra dan putri Indonesia mengaku bertumpah darah yang satu tanah air Indonesia. Kami putra dan putri Indonesia mengaku berbangsa yang satu bangsa Indonesia. Kami putra dan putri Indonesia menjunjung tinggi bahasa persatuan. All the youth retain thus the pledge. By celebrating Sumpah Pemuda Day, we have important roles to develop our nation. The things that we have to do is to keep the society religion tolerance, active on democracy, stop corruption, say no to wrong information or hoax, stop SARA issues. Sumpah Pemuda is one of nation identity that we cannot vanish because it was grounded in our blood. Therefore, I confess to all the people around me and also Indonesia's society, let's appreciate our heroes together because we never enjoy our independence without their fight. Let us keep hand on hand so that our country keep forward. That's all my speech I can tell. I apologize if there are many mistakes. I believe for everything that I can speak. It will can be something good in the future. Finally, thank you for attention. Best regards, Crescentia Situmorang. Thank you.